Welcome back, beauties. If you've ever struggled with brows that just won't behave, or wished for a softer, more natural look that lasts all day, this little tool might just be what you've been hunting for. I'm talking about the Milk Makeup KUSH Brow Shadow Stick, a pencil designed to fill, shape, and define brows with a matte, smudge-proof finish that promises up to 12 hours of wear. I've been testing the shade Dutch, which is a medium dark brown, perfect for a natural yet polished look. What's interesting about this formula is its cream to powder texture. It starts silky and blendable, making it easy to apply, but sets down to a powdery finish that gives that soft, natural look without looking harsh or drawn on. The pencil itself is slim and precise, allowing for both fine hair-like strokes and fuller coverage if you want more intensity. In my own routine, incorporating this into my morning brow routine was effortless. I could sketch in sparse areas, define the arch, and even layer it lightly for a more dramatic brow without it feeling heavy or cakey. It held up through a busy day, including a little sweat and humidity, which speaks to its waterproof and long wear claims. I did notice that blending with a spoolie right after application gave the softest, most natural finish. One small point: if you're in a rush, it can smudge slightly before fully setting, but that's an easy fix with a quick touch of a brow gel. So let's talk about the pros. The texture is amazing, creamy but not greasy, powdery yet not drying. It's easy to shape and blend, the color is true to what you see in the packaging, and it really does have impressive longevity. It's smudge-proof once set and feels lightweight all day. On the flip side, if you're someone who wants a super dramatic, bold brow, this might not be intense enough without multiple layers. Also, it's a pencil, so while portable, it's not retractable, meaning you do need to keep it sharpened. Value-wise, it sits in the mid to upper range for brow products. Considering the formula, longevity, and the effortless natural look it delivers, it's fairly priced if you're looking for a reliable everyday brow tool. If you're on a tighter budget, there are similar cream to powder sticks from drugstore brands, but in terms of the luxe feel, smooth application, and durability, Milk Makeup stands out. The packaging is sleek and minimalistic, typical of Milk Makeup, with a solid build that doesn't feel flimsy. The tip maintains its shape well, and I haven't noticed any breakage or crumbling over weeks of use. Now, if this review is helpful to you, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Overall, the Milk Makeup KUSH Brow Shadow Stick delivers on its promise of softer, fuller-looking brows that stay put. It's ideal for anyone who wants a natural, polished brow without fussing over heavy products or multiple steps. It won't replace a dramatic pomade for bold brows, but for everyday wear, it's a game changer. If you've tried this brow stick, drop a comment below and let me know how it worked for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, the link to grab yours is in the description box. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.